Welcome to web designing. In this video, we will see the HTML formatting tags. Let's get started. First tag is the bold tag. We use the bold tag for making the text bold. Here, if we execute this tag, it will display example for bold text. This text and example for will be displayed in the normal way, and the bold is displayed in bold format. Here, italic tag, it is used for displaying the particular text in italic style. Here, example for and text is displayed in a normal way, and italic is displayed in a italic style. Here, underline text is used for making any text underline. Let's see. Let's execute those tags HTML, and first tag is bold, italic, and underline. First, example for bold, bold text. If you see here the text is displaying in a bold style, and other example for and text, these are displaying in a normal way. And let's see other one. This is italic. Example for italic text. Here, if you see, italic text is displayed in a italic style. Next, we will see the underline one. Example for underline text. Here, we are using underline tag. Here, underline word is displaying in a underline format. You see these next tags, strike tag. If you want to strike a particular word in a particular sentence or in a particular paragraph, you can use this for striking the words or paragraphs or lines code, lines of data. And monospaced font, if each letter in a different style and different sizes, we cannot understand easily. To avoid this problem, we use this monospaced font. If you write something in this monospaced tags, it will display in the same size and same style. Let's see these two tags. Example for strike tag. Here we'll see the strike. Strike. STRIK. If you see, this strike word is displayed as striked one here. Next one is mono font. Example for mono tag. If you see here, this is displaying in a different way. If you are writing any word that related to your name, that related to a book name or a website name in a particular paragraph. If you use this tag, you can easily find that name um, faster. And next tag is superscript and subscript. If you see here, if you are writing any mathematical equations or chemical equations, you write H2O or 2 power 2, 2 power 4 like that. This subscript and superscript will helps you a lot. If you see here, this r squares, this 2 is superscript, and here a0, this 0 is subscript. The text that is under this text is called subscript. Text that is upper to this text is called superscript. For writing those type of text, we use superscript and subscript, and let's see these two how they works. Paragraph example for subscript and subscript subscript text. If you see here, this is subscript, and this one is subscript, and this one is superscript. Superscript is displayed top of this fur, and subscript is displayed down to this one. If you are writing any formulas, this helps you a lot. Let's try a formula. H2O H, and here we write 2, and we write O. Here displayed H2O. If we want to write any powers like 2 power 2, we are giving 2, and here 2. It displayed 2 power 2. For these type of things, it helps a lot. Let's see another tags. Insert tag is used for inserting the text into the particular line or paragraph. The tag syntax is ins, and delete tag is same as insert tag, and syntax is del for deleting a particular word or line from the paragraph. By simple you can write text in between the delete tags that will be deleted from the that will be striked out from the content that you have written in the web page. Let's see. Example, I am writing ins insert text hello, that is underlined. This one is underlined what we have written in ins tag, and we'll write a delete text hello. This will be striked out to indicate that this data is deleted, and or this data is not valid. Let's say another tags, larger text and smaller text. To differentiate the text that is important or unimportant, we can use larger text or smaller text. If we want to highlight some link or some name of a book, name of a person, you can use this larger tag to highlight that name, and except this one, that other words will be displayed in a normal way. If you use a smaller text, for for highlighting or unhighlighting a particular thing that is not important. You can use this one. All the things are displayed in particular size, and this word given in small tag that will be displayed in a low size than the other words given in that paragraph or line. Let's see these two, how they works. Hello, and now we are using big WORLD world. If you see here, hello is displayed in normal size and word is highlighting here. You can easily find words from paragraph if you use this. And let's try another one. Hello, and small. In small I am using world. See here, hello is displayed in a normal font size, and word is displayed lesser font size than hello. World is displayed in a lesser font size than hello, because to unhighlight that, to tell that it is not important. Okay, let's say another tags, grouping tags. Actually, division is the grouping tag to group some tags into one group. If you can easily understand when we enter into CSS that we create divisions for some divisions, like some cards for some text giving details of the user, or displaying some text related to some topic. You can easily understand them. Let's see a little bit now. We can execute this. Division. Here I am not giving any class because no need of class. We are not applying any styles. I am aligning this one to middle, and here I am giving anchor tags. 3 anchor tags I am using. First one is contact, and second one is hello, third one is world. If you see here, all these are grouped together and displayed here. If you apply a border to this one, you can easily understand